In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install threads from Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to install Threads app but you are unable, then follow these steps. In the first method, just go to your Play Store and first make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. So you can see your Gmail account profile icon here to be sure you are logged in. Then go ahead and try search for your app and install it. However, if you are unable to install your Threads app even when you are logged in, then go ahead and tap on your profile icon here on your email, and from here scroll down to settings. From settings, go to network preferences here and then tap on it, and here you can see we have quite a number of options. Go ahead and choose this option called app download preference and tap on it. Here make sure you select the first option, which is over any network. So this will allow you to download your Thread app even when you are not connected to Wi-Fi, in that you can even use your data. So once you're done, now choose OK, and then go ahead and try to install Threads app. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and find your Play Store app or your settings. So if you go to settings, you should see a list of all the apps you have. Go ahead and look for Play Store. Alternatively, go ahead and just long press on Play Store app here and tap on app info. This will take you to this page where you should see an option to clear the app data. So go ahead and tap on clear data, and for this choose the second option called clear cache. So if you tap on this, go ahead and click on OK, and here the cache data will be cleared, and this might be the reason why you are unable to install any app from Play Store. Once this is done, now go ahead and restart your smartphone and now download your app. So we shall go ahead and try and see if we shall download Threads. So I'll go ahead, tap on Threads here, and now if I go ahead and tap on install, as you can see, now Threads app is being installed on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix unable to install Threads app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.